So we got a yellow fellow. First yellow ever on a cage. Cool. So the mother is pure Serbian Highflyer. On the father's side, the father's probably like 5% Iranian, 95% Serbian. Father is silver, the mother is silver. So I don't know where the yellow came from. So these are probably like 1% Iranian, 99% Serbian. I was going to only use them for flying, but how can I fly this yellow one? Hopefully they live. They're coming up small like the mother, Serbian Highflyer. I've got 3 silvers that'll be flying. And if they don't do the Iranian tumble, I'll be happy with that. This one, my goodness. And I know they're from flying lines, so it's a yellow that's going to fly, but definitely don't want to fly it. So that's the other silver flying. And the one there, which if you remember, I had to swap it because it was not getting fed. It's a fat bugger. So I've got one that I had to swap in here. Because the mother is a first time, second time breeder. And she just wasn't coping. Like this one. It's coming with the white tail. Had to swap it. Hands are dirty. Had to clean the birds. Alright. Let's go quick clean. And the brother's over here is coming up with the white tail as well. Don't know what colours yet. Because the father's red, the mother's black. So, I don't know. Doesn't matter. Put some of those for flying. Just got to see how the lines are. If I want to keep them, keep the pairs, or swap them. She's on her last eggs. That's it. I'm not going to let her breed anymore for this year. Well, at least for about 3 or 4 months. The old hen. And then the pair that's make me blues. It's got me a saddleback or something. Yeah. Wow. A whitish bird. Something whitish there. Interesting. Getting some interesting colours, and the good thing with Serbian Highflyers is you just don't know what you're going to get. Surprise. Alright, now I've just got to clean this part, that part that I hate.